Now you learned how to transpose hot cross buns into 6 keys. We are going to apply the same concept to Mary Had a Little Lamb. Let's take a look at E major. 5-finger pattern. Mary Had a Little Lamb used the first 3 notes of 5-finger pattern. Let's try A major. A major 5-finger pattern. So the first 3 notes of that 5-finger pattern. I want you to remember we always refer to the ending note, not the beginning of the song, the first note, not the first song. Always refer to the ending note. So if it's a key of G major, the thumb goes on G and start with the 3rd note. And ends on G. That means in key of G.